Hey, Woodhounds across the globe. Hope you guys having a good evening. We got a good Arctic blast blowing in into the yard. Low 20s late tonight and tomorrow morning. And I want to discuss some chainsaw chains with you. The chains we run. I like all three of these chains. They're fantastic products. These two right here we run the most. The Oregon chain, EXJ, and Woodland Pro. Full chisel chain. And this steel chain is a very good chain too. We don't run too many of the steel chains just because we don't have a dealer close by to the wood yard. It's 50, 60 miles away. Closest dealer to me anyway to get steel chains. And the Oregon place, they sell chains too, but closer spot where I go to get these works out pretty good. And I've been buying a lot of these online. And we get a pretty good deal online, shipped to the house, a little cheaper than the steel product. Really good product. We ran these for a while too, on the saws. So we like the Woodland Pro and the Oregon chain. And we open up the Woodland Pro chain. Very nice looking tooth. Brand new out of the box. 50 gauge, 3/8. Skip tooth chains. That's what we run. Occasionally we get some full house. We run some full house chains. But we like the skip tooth chain. Take a look at the Oregon chain. Really good chains. I like them. Really good profile. Sharp. Yes, it's sharp out of the box. It'll cut. We've cut thousands of trees like that. Right out of the box chains, bring them back to the shop, grind them up again. And the steel chain. It's a little bit different profile of the color of the tooth. But very nice looking chain. Razor sharp. Three great products. But we run these two the most out of the steel chain for the most part. And we've been cutting a lot of big wood lately in the yard. 25-inch, 30-inch diameter, red oak, white oak, and a lot of sugar maple. And these chains have been holding up pretty good. Very good chains. Let's see that side. If you shop online, you can get them pretty cheap. I'm not sure what the steel chains if you can get these online or not. You probably could. But we have a Husqvarna dealer, a lot closer than a steel dealer from our location. We can get the Oregon chains plenty all the time. But we cut so much wood on the homestead here. We get the chains. We just get the chains shipped to the house. Best deal. Right to the door. It's like Christmas every morning. All right, guys. Guys, be safe out there. Keep cutting firewood. And keep selling firewood. And guys, stay warm. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.